One name stood out on the crypto board today. Avalanche slipped 1.8%. Here's the rundown. Bitcoin, the market leader, is down 1%, trading around $64,079. In the news, Bitcoin pulls back to $64,000 after hitting monthly high as bears take control. Via CoinDesk, Avalanche is down 1.8%, around $6.58. Today it ranged between $6.56 and $6.72. Cardano is down 1.7%, around $0.1622. Today it ranged between $0.1609 and $0.1662. Ethereum is down 1.7%, around $1,884. Today it ranged between $1,882 and $1,925. Market mood. Bitcoin dominance is 56%, and the Fear and Greed Index sits at 25, extreme fear. Trending on CoinGecko right now, Pudgy Penguins, Ondo, and Solana. That's the crypto board today. Mostly red, with Avalanche the biggest mover. Follow Crypto Goblin for your daily crypto Bitcoin and the top altcoins.